This is a tutorial to help with Pachelbel and Hurlock's reel Violin 2. We're going to start on first finger on the E string. I'm just going to run through these first 4 bars. It's basically a scale. So the scale was descending, reached an open A and started ascending. Let's carry on from third finger on the A string, and again we're going down until we reach the crotchet section. So from third finger on the A string, now we're moving into the crotchet section. It's mezzo piano, so it's a little bit louder than the piano section at the beginning. I've also put in some slurs. If you can manage the slurs, that'll be great because it helps to keep the sound soft and smooth, legato. If you can't manage them, don't worry, the notes are more important at this stage. So I'm going to take it from there. We've got a bit of jumping to do, open D to second, and then up to your open string, crossing back over the strings. So a wee bit of work on this, but it might look quite long, this crotchet section. It's actually repeated 2.5 times. So let's learn the notes from open D. So that's the melody. The next bar starts on a high D instead of an open D, but after that it's the same tune. And the same again, only half of it this time. So let's practice going from the minims into the crotchets. We're going to take it from the second line. Join in if you want. So run through that a few times to get the transition from the minims into the crotchets. Now let's have a look at the notes in the semiquaver section. This is going to be forte, so really it's the climax of the piece. Most of it is semiquavers. Coca-Cola, 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 cream soda. Watch out for the quaver followed by the 2 semis. So the rhythm changes here, and at the end you've got 3 quavers. So I'm going to run from here. I'll take it a little bit slower for you. So let's just run through the rhythm for the second section. Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, coffee, cream, soda. So we'll do it again if you try and say it along. Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, coffee, cream, soda. Now the next line is almost identical. The only difference is we use open D at the end instead of first finger on D. So let's try the next line. If you're ready to join in, 3, 4. So we finished on that D. The next 2 notes, a little slur to get you onto a down bow for the next bar. So that's like we pick up notes. This line is exactly the same as that line. So we've already learned that. Let's see what comes up on the next page. A different melody here. The violin ones have been doing this melody before. So I'll just play through it. So the final note is a minim. If you can play the minim and then lift off to make sure that your bow doesn't drag through and hold longer notes than anybody else on the video. So we all want to finish together. Let's look at the rhythm. Again, we've got some cream sodas sneaking in there. So let's just say it together. Coca-Cola, cream soda, Coca-Cola, cream soda, Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, coffee, coffee, ta. Okay, let's play it again. 3, 4. Right, let's practice doing from the crotchets into the semiquavers. We'll take it from the D. 3, 4. Let's run through it one more time. 3, 4. What I'm going to do is just put a little line here and a little line here, and that is a broken slur. So it's 2 ups. The reason being we want a down bow at the beginning of this bar here. That's what all these little slurs are. It's to give you a down bow at the beginning of the bar, that each group should really start with a down bow. So let's try going from here. We're also going to start a little bit quieter so we can get a big crescendo. 3, 4. And that's it. If you've got any problems, just contact me, and good luck with your recording. It should be great.